Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So we have a large enhanced risk of severe weather extending from Memphis, Tennessee, all the way through portions of Michigan and Ohio today in the orange, a slight risk extending from East Texas and Louisiana up through northern Michigan and western New York and Pennsylvania in yellow, and a marginal risk in the dark green. And looking at today's tornado threat, we have a very large area with a chance of seeing tornadoes once again today, where the Storm Prediction Center has issued a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location across this massive brown area today, from Little Rock, Arkansas, through Detroit, Michigan, up through Rochester, New York. So make sure that you are um, paying attention to the weather if you live in this large brown area and watching out for some scattered tornadoes in your area. We have a 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location, extending from East Texas and Louisiana through Michigan and western New York State as well. Looking at the damaging wind threat, the damaging wind threat is going to be significant at 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location today across this large red area, a 15% chance in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown. So make sure you're looking out for numerous damaging uh, wind gusts if you live especially in the red and yellow areas today. And looking at today's hail threat, a large 15% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of location is in place from East Texas, central northern Louisiana, up through Michigan. So looking at the latest HRRR model to time out the storms, as of an 8 a.m., we're seeing clusters of strong to severe storms across Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, western Michigan. And as we go through the morning, the storms are going to continue to push northeast, could be producing numerous damaging wind gusts across Missouri, Illinois, and Michigan by around 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Isolated large hail and tornadoes are also going to be likely with the storms, so make sure you're weather aware through noon as you if you live across portions of south central Illinois, western central Indiana, southeastern Missouri, as well as Michigan. Going into the afternoon, we could see the storms re-intensify across central and northern, even southwestern Indiana, producing strong damaging wind gusts. As they do so, going into 2 o'clock, strong storms pushing through Indianapolis and into Detroit, going into 3 o'clock Central Time, very strong storms pushing across southeastern Indiana, western Ohio, into areas of southwestern Canada, and then going into 4 o'clock, strong storms pushing through Cincinnati and also pushing into Cleveland and Columbus, Ohio by 5 o'clock. And the storms are gradually going to die down as we go into this evening. So, thankfully, today's severe weather threat is not going to be as serious as what we've been seeing over the last several days. But still, if you live in this brown area and green area, be on guard for some scattered to isolated tornadoes in your area today, and still have your tornado shelter plan in place in case you see any tornadoes in your area. Thanks for watching today's severe weather update. Stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.